Hello, in this video I want to show you how to open and secure your SONY Action Cam inside the case. And to do this, first let's look at the bottom. Here you have this screw plug that you can connect. It doesn't matter, it can be connected, it can be removed, so I'll be opening it without it. Now look onto this open button, press and hold it, then hold right here and push it towards yourself, and this should release the front cover. Now we can remove it, and here simply take out the camera. Now if you want to put it inside the case, then simply slide in the camera and adjust it with this lens, and then let's start with the top, because we'll need to secure it right here, and then close the hatch like so. And that's basically all of it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.